Alright, T-Badger here, going to do a video on how to change over common fluorescent fixtures into fixtures that will take an LED bulb. We have these laid out here just for speed and efficiency. Basically, all you do is if you buy a brand new fixture or if you have an existing fixture, the fixture will be put together for you if you have an existing fixture. If not, then you have to kind of build the thing, and it's pretty straightforward. These little tombstones, as they're called, just snap into the ends, and then basically from there you will need to disassemble it. You will want to remove the ballast, which takes one screw is all it is that holds this ballast in. So you remove this one screw and the ballast will come out. And what I do is, before I take the ballast out while it's still secured, you want to cut your wire, leaving you some wire so that you can either sell these or give them to a friend or what have you. And basically you'll cut it, leaving you a little bit of length so you can tie into it, or somebody can tie into it. You'll cut, this is the white, which is usually neutral, and black, which is hot. You'll want to cut these, and then you'll want to cut all of these. This particular fixture has one red, and that is got an attachment there, and then it has two blues for the other side. And what you'll then do is, this is the fixture without the ballast that has been removed, and then you'll take the, in this case we took the one red and attached it to the white, leaving the other end open so you can attach power to this. And then the other end, which had the two blues, you connect the black. And it doesn't matter, from what I understand, because it's AC current. This could be the white wire and the other one could be the black wire, but that's what you end up with, something like this. I like to tape the ends just for more security, but one end goes to black and one end goes to white, and that's it. So then if you're doing the that was a T8, I believe, yeah, T8. So this is a T12, and what you'll have with these is you'll have a lot of wires. These have 4 wires. This side has red and brown, and this side is yellow and blue. And so there's 4 wires on this end, 4 wires on this end. Again, one screw takes this ballast out, and then basically what you're left with is the ballast is gone. I took this side and you connect all the blues and all the yellows, and I did that to the white, so all 5 wires here. And then on the other side you have the 4 wires plus the black, and they're all connected. So you have the hot wire on this side, but it doesn't matter. Again, one side goes to white or black, and the other side all goes to the the other, whether it's white or black. And then there's one more. There's a tandem that we're doing as well, and that is a T. This will be a T. Looks like a T12. And here again, you got one ballast, even though it's a tandem, and there's be 4 bulbs here. You got the T12 ballast. You remove the ballast, and it's simply the same thing. The only difference is that the yellow goes to either end. So the far end, the furthest end to the right here, and the furthest end to the left here is yellow. So what you'll do is take the yellows, connect all your yellow to a white, and then take all the other blue and reds and connect it to the black. Again, the white and black can be interchanged, but basically you want one end to be either hot or neutral and the other end to be hot or neutral. But the way we did it was we took the yellow and mated it and connected it with the white, whereas we took the other 4 wires, connected it to black, because again it's one end. So this end here in the middle is connected to the black, and then the far ends, this end and this end, the yellow, is connected to the white. So I hope that makes sense, and it helps some people out, because we had to do a lot of reading and watching videos and all that, because the wires were different, but it doesn't matter. This will be something anybody can do, and it just takes a little bit of time, and it's done.